The upcoming Honor 10 handset has just surfaced in 2 new images. The first image that you will find in the gallery down below shows what seems to be Honor's leaked promo material for the upcoming devices. This image is not exactly the sharpest out there, but it does reveal the backside of the device, and by the looks of it, the Honor 10 will resemble its predecessor as far as that part of it is concerned. The phone will ship with a glass backplate, while a fingerprint scanner is not included on the back, which suggests that it will be placed below the phone's display. Having said that, the device will have that reflective look, just like the Honor 8 and Honor 9, and the back of the phone will be slightly curved on the sides. A dual camera setup will be placed on the back of the device as well, along with an LED flash. The second image that leaked seemingly reveals some of the phone's specifications. If this info is to be believed, the Honor 10 will be fueled by the Kirin 970, as expected, while it will sport a 5.8-inch display. The Honor 9 shipped with a 5.15-inch panel, so this seems to be a huge boost in display size from one generation to the other, though the Honor 10 is expected to ship with considerably thinner bezels than the Honor 9, so hopefully such a huge display will not increase the phone's size as drastically, as the Honor View 10 is the company's phablet with a 5.99-inch display, so the Honor 10 is expected to be its smaller counterpart. In addition to the phone's display size and SoC info, the leaked image also claims that the device will pack in 6GB of RAM and 256GB of native storage. The image also contains some writing in Chinese that we quite frankly can't read, but 100% is also mentioned next to the phone's display size. We're not entirely sure what that refers to, but the phone's screen-to-body ratio won't be 100%, that's for sure. The alleged Honor 10 did leave quite recently, though it was encased, so we were not able to get a good look at its design. Still, if that image is to be believed, the phone will not only include a front-facing fingerprint scanner, but also 2 capacitive keys which will flank its fingerprint scanner. Everything will be revealed next month when the company announces this phone in London on May 15th, but we're expecting more info to leak before then, of course.